Get excited about the 2020 Ram 1500. Top features include remote keyless entry, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a power seat, heated steering wheel, rain-sensing wipers, a trailer hitch, a bedliner, and a split-folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.